Welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. Today we'll be seeing tables. So what is a table? Table is a collection of cells, that is rows and columns. So why table is used? Table is used to represent the data in systematic manner. So if suppose you want to display some data, okay, with some headings and some titles, and under that you are describing some things, and there are many things to be displayed in systematic order, that time you use table. So for writing tables in HTML, we use a tag table. So this is a table tag. Then in table tag we have table rows and table columns. Okay, table row is written with the help of tag tr, and table columns are written with the help of tag td. Okay, table data. Now if suppose I am writing, I want to display two rows, so there I'll be using two tier tags and opening and closing tags. See, here I have opened tier tag, here I have closed it, and then again I have opened and again I have closed. So this will create two rows. Now next I want to create two columns in each row. So in each row I am having here two columns. Okay, column 1 and column 2. Next, this is about row 1. Again in row 2 I want same two rows and two columns each. So this is about writing the rows. Open the row tag, close the row tag, open the column tag and close the column tag. So in row 1 I am having column 1 and column 2. Okay, in row 2 I am having column 1 and column 2. So this was about the table. Let us see how it is displayed in browser. You can see row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 2, column 1, row 2 and column 2. So this was about the tables. We'll see more about tables in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel. Thank you.